So guys, welcome back. Today we would be discussing about VI editor. It is a very important tool in we can say it's a command in Linux. What a VI editor does is basically it's a text editor. Okay, so it can be used to edit all kind of text, and it is very useful when we are like useful for the editing programming, and it can also be used for Unix program. Okay, so let's see how we can use this VI editor. So I've already created my AWS machine, Linux machine in from my AWS console. If you don't know how we can actually create this machine, you just check my first lecture in my Linux playlist. There I have actually told that how we can create a particular machine in Linux in AWS console. So I've already created. Let me just click on connect here. Either I can just use SSH where my putty and puttygen would be used, but for now I'm just using EC2 connect. Okay, now here let me just connect it. Okay, and now I would be able to log into my machine. Okay, so I have logged into my machine. Let me just give all the rights with the help of sudo su. Okay, so with the help of vi command, I would be creating a new file and would be updating that particular new file. Okay, so vi, I'm just writing here. What I would be doing is I would be just writing vi command. Okay, and let's say let me just write file one. Okay, so I've just written the file one. I will land on this particular new console. Okay, new page would be there. So here what I need to do is I need to press I. Okay, so what I would be doing is I would be pressing I, which is insert. At the bottom you can see this insert is coming up. Now what you need to do is you need to write the content. Hello, let's say I am Akshat Gupta. Okay, I am your trainer. Okay, for let me just make the spelling make a small mistake in spelling. Okay, so today, okay, TODAW. So in the cat command we were creating a file, and we were not able to edit that particular file. But here let's see what happens. Let me just save this particular file. I will just press enter. WQ. So you need to press escape first. Okay, then semicolon WQ. Just look at the bottom. Okay, so WQ is there. Okay, so look here it is. You need to press semicolon WQ and just press enter. Okay, now we have exited from our particular from our vi editor. Now let's put ls and see like whether our file is created or not. Yes, our file is created with the name file1. Let's say what is the content of our file. Let's use cat command for the same. And okay, I'm Akshat Gupta. I'm your trainer for today. Now today's spelling is wrong. TODAW. It need to be TODAY. So how will I correct it? I can use VI editor again. I will write just file one. Okay. Now again I'm back to the same file. Here I will come and I will just write. Okay. So let me just okay. I need to press I first. Now I can just change the content. Okay, if I want to add something. Okay, have a good day, guys. Okay, so let me write this. Press escape, semicolon, WQ, enter. Let's see what happens. Let me just clear first. Okay, okay. Now let's see. Let's press ls. Okay, we already have a file one. Let's see what is the content of file one with the help of cat file one. Okay, so hello, I am Akshat Gupta. I am your trainer for today. Have a good day. It's being updated. So whenever you need to update your file, you can either use Nano, which we will be discussing in further classes, but I would prefer you to use VI. It's very easy, and for the if you are using cat command, you cannot edit your file. And if you are, let's say, let me just create one more file with the help of cat command. Okay, so yes, you need to write this thing. Okay, so cat command, I'm writing the content. This is file 2 by Akshat Gupta. Okay, control D. I have exited from my file. Let's put ls. Okay, I have two files now. let me just use this update. If we want to append something in cat with the help of cat command, we used to use this particular command. Let's say hello, this is second line. Okay, again control D, ls. Okay, now let's see what is the content. We don't have any option to actually update it. Now let me just write vi command and file2. Okay, I will press I. Okay, I pressed I. Now I can actually update the file which I have created with some another editor as well. This is second day. Okay, let's say. Okay, I will press escape WQ semicolon WQ and fine. Let's see if my file is updated or not. Cat file2. Yeah, this is the second day. It's being updated now. Okay, so this is how you use your vi command. It's very easy. If you still face any difficulties, you can write into the chat box. I will try to reply you back, or even you can mail me. I will try to solve all your queries. If you want me to add a specific lecture, just do let me know. You can mail me the details. I will try to work on that particular lectures. I am also working on completing solution architect and also working on DevOps, creating DevOps lectures. So very soon you would be finding each and everything in my playlist. Thank you.